everyone, it's Cerise and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a Colourpop unboxing video. So I did this last year at like Christmas time when I got my Colourpop stuff in the mail and it was like, what's new at Colourpop? So I thought I'd do that again because I've got a bunch of new products and I got another concealer because the other concealer was not the right color, so I got a different one. So hopefully it will be good. But first of all, I'm like, I need my drink. Is anyone else like obsessed with slushies? This is a frozen Coke, so I'm like, anyway. Alright. Got my big box of tricks here. So I am excited. I'm like, where can I place this to unbox it? What kind of got me is this is the first Colourpop package. Like, I paid for this myself, by the way. It's not like a PR package. Colourpop, if you're watching, please. But this is the first. I don't know if it's gonna stay. Let's just hold it there. This is the first Colourpop box that I've got that actually hasn't been all pretty on the inside and it hasn't had, like, you know, the Colourpop logo and everything, which is really weird because at Christmas time the inside was all light green and everything, but it's just like a plain box with bubble wrap, which I've never really seen before. It's normally been like pretty coloured. So anyway, let's crack in. So what we have. What's really weird is you can see cars driving past. I'm literally on a second story, so but it looks like it's just outside. It's so weird. Anyway, alright, so I didn't get much, but I did get what's new. So this is the things I got here. So I got a little Colourpop card here, which is here, and then it says "Stay cool, Colourpop." So it's like cute. So it's always nice to get a cute little card. Then my like what I brought. So let's crack into what I got. So, firstly, you guys know, I got the No Filter Concealer. That's what I said I got before. And I got shade Light 10. Now, I think what I got before was like Light 5 or something. I hope I didn't grab the same shade. I know, I gave it to my friend. So, I got this and it is very white. But if you can see from my normal dark Shape Tape, it looks pretty similar in colour. So, it's just more as like a highlighter shade, so I'm gonna put that on and just see. Yeah, that looks like that would be pretty much right. What I got before was too yellow. I really do like their concealers. It blends out really nicely. That's almost too white. It's almost too white, but I'm sure that'll be fine. I can make that work, so that's fine. I'm not gonna do a review on this unless you want me to on this color because I have already done a review on the No Filter concealers before, and I have said I like them. It's just the color just kind of ruined it for me. So I have that one there, and yeah, if you guys want a review, then let me know. And we also have the Colourpop All-Star Face Setting Spray, which I'm excited to try. Rude. It's like all actually kind of spilled out, so. Can you stop trying to drive in my video? And yeah, so I wonder. Seems like there's still a lot in there, so I hope it doesn't come out, but that is so pretty. I love the packaging there. So I'm gonna put that up here too. And then, next I have the No Filter Sheer Press Powder. So I'm really excited to try this. It is a powder compact. I got it in shade medium. So let's pull her out here. Like my hair's already stuck in it. So what I find interesting about this is the back actually has the shade name on it. If you guys know from my last unboxing video, no shade names are on the back of the colors. So I don't know if they've like decided to put that on because people were complaining. But yeah, it's a pressed powder like that. So I'm just gonna swatch it here on my hand too. So yeah, it is very sheer. That's a very light kind of powder. It's very light, but I am so super excited to do a review on that as well. If you want any reviews, then comment them down below and I will be sure to do them for you. And then next we have the No Filter Foundation. So I am really excited to try this because focus because it looks like it would be really good. I love the unicartons on these as well. Like I think they're really cute. This is the shade here. So I'm hoping, so it has a lock mechanism like this. So I'm hoping that it might not be my color. It looks very dark. I'm like, compared to that light underneath, it doesn't look too bad, but you can see it is kind of like an orangey one. Maybe like one, like where's my bag? Maybe one for when I'm like tan or something, you know? That could be a thing. We'll see. But anyway, there's that one too. And all up, I think I got the $50 free shipping. I think it was all like 70 something. Let's see how much this was. It doesn't tell me. I'm pretty sure it was like 70 something. And so I qualified for international free shipping. So I got it all. So yeah, it wasn't that bad in price, I think, for all these things, especially if they work. Because like concealer, foundation, powder, like I usually get MAC stuff, it's like 70 bucks, and that's like what, like 10 bucks on average. So I got the No Filter setting powder as well, and this is in shade Translucent. So I'm excited. That is not clear. That looks like colored. That's like banana powder. That's not white. Translucent's white. What the hell? Oh, it has a little sticky thing. I don't know. Do you guys want a review on this? Like, I wanted to try kind of baking and stuff, because as you guys know, I just use foundation, then concealer, then powder, and I thought I'd give this a try, but that's like freaking yellow. That's not white. So yeah, I don't know. If you guys want a review, let me know. I know I keep saying that, but like, I'm for real. I really like the aesthetic, like, packaging. I think that's really cute. They've picked a theme and they've stuck with it, so I really like that. Now the last two products, I'm gonna get me this one. So this is the Kathleen Lights and Colourpop collection. This is shade What's Your Sign? It says give me some lip on there. And that's the lipstick there. And then we'll pull it out. Ooh, that is a pretty component. That is pretty. And then, oh my god, look at the stars on there. Look at the star print. That's so cool. Like, is it focusing? I think that's so clever. That's so cool. I don't want to swatch this, because I'm doing a swatch video and I want to get my like swatch on it in real time, sort of thing. Alrighty, and then last but not least, I have the Zodiac palette. So I have had reviews to do, not reviews, requests to do this, so I will be doing this video. I'm so excited. The actual reason why I brought it is because someone requested it. That's why I was like, oh, I'm going to go into Colourpop, and I saw they had foundations, that kind of thing. I haven't really been keeping up with Colourpop that much, because in New Zealand, you don't see the hype. It's more in America that they have ads on TV and stuff like that, but there's nothing here, so I don't know that they've got new products. I didn't even know Kathleen Lights had one. How bad is that? I'm a beauty guru, but I'm like, yeah, I guess I'm a half-assed one, really, when you think about it. Alrighty, so that's, open her up and have a look. Okay, so look, the packaging's actually very amazing. Reminds me of like Indian or something. Like, look at the colors, it's so pretty. And that's open her up. Ta-da! And that is the colors there. They're so pretty. I'm gonna swatch the Leo, because that looks really pretty. I'm just gonna put that here. Ooh, bitch, that is amazing. That is a nice, pretty color. Oh my god. I cannot wait to dive into that as well. Oh my god, are you kidding? Yes. Alrighty, so that is, yeah, pretty much everything that I got from Colourpop was these products here. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things for about $70 something, and it was it's a whole face, essentially. Setting powder, concealer, foundation, lipstick, eyes. You just need brows. It's pretty much a whole face for like 70 bucks. It's amazing. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed that, and if you want me to do any more unboxing hauls or whatever, then tell me and I'll try and get rich and then buy these things for you guys to watch me unbox. But anyway, let me know in the comments down below what you want reviews on. I just realized it's very dark in here, or it looks dark in my viewfinder. I think because it's so sunny outside, the transition is like, no. But anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you'd give me a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe where the subscribe box is, and until next time, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one.